Hey everybody. To create a free shipping promotion with a minimum purchase or quantity, you can use the discount code featured in Shopify. First, we're going to create the discount code in Shopify. So from your Shopify dashboard, you're going to go on the left-hand side here to discounts. Top right-hand corner, you're going to create a discount. You're going to click free shipping. We can go ahead and type whatever you'd like the code to be called. Let's just call free shipping. You can do whatever countries you want. We're going to leave this one to be no purchase required and all customers. We're going to click save. Next, we're going to go to automatic discount and gifts, the app. Next, we're going to go to new promotion. We're going to go to discount code here, and we're going to type that same code that we just made, so free ship. We have free shipping on an entire order. And then here's where we can set triggers that Shopify doesn't allow us usually to do. So we can do total amount of weight. We can do number of items in the cart. We can even do whether the customer is tagged a certain way. So let's do number of items in the cart, and we're actually going to restrict that. We want them to add a certain item product first, and then we're going to give them free shipping. So we're going to go ahead and search for products, and let's go ahead and choose this dark denim top. So now, whenever the number, let's say they need to buy 2 of those. So now whenever the number of items in the cart is bigger or equal to 2, and it needs to be this dark denim top, then they're going to go ahead and they're going to get this this promo. So we're going to switch this to active, and we're going to click save. So now they get free shipping, and then you could see that right here at the bottom, free shipping. Now customers will be able to get free shipping when they meet specified requirements. It's a very powerful feature in automatic discounts and gifts.